Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a crochet tapestry grid. Tapestry crochet is a fantastic technique for creating colorful designs by working with multiple yarn colors in a single row. To begin, gather your materials. You'll need at least 2 different yarn colors, a crochet hook appropriate for your yarn weight, and a tapestry needle for finishing. A pixel grid chart will be your essential guide, showing you exactly where to change colors for your design. Let's get started with your foundation. First, make a slip knot and then chain 1 more stitch than the total width of your pixel grid. For example, if your grid is 30 stitches wide, chain 31. Next, work your first row of single crochet stitches into the second chain from your hook. Remember, each individual square on your pixel grid corresponds to 1 single crochet stitch in your project, so count carefully. Seamless color changes are key to a clean tapestry crochet grid. When it's time to switch colors, work the stitch almost completely with your current color, but finish the very last yarn over with the new color. This creates a smooth transition. As you work, carry the unused yarn along the back of your stitches, crocheting over it to hide it. Be sure to maintain consistent tension. Pulling too tightly or too loosely can make the carried yarn visible. Once your tapestry grid is complete, it's time for the finishing touches. Use a tapestry needle to carefully weave in all your loose yarn ends, ensuring a tidy appearance. To achieve a polished look and even out your stitches, gently block your finished piece by wetting it and laying it flat to dry. Remember, consistent tension is crucial, and marking off each row on your chart as you go will help you stay on track and prevent mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.